Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion, and it's the PM one. They have a AM with sunscreen, but I'll talk about that later in this video. But anyway, this actually was recommended to me by my dermatologist. If you have sensitive skin and you can't use anything with fragrance in it, try this, because for one, there's no fragrance or perfume or anything in this lotion. It is oil free, so if you do have oily skin, this product would definitely be for you. My experiences though with it, I'm not gonna lie, I've been using this for some years, like over, I would say like over 4 years maybe. Yeah, like I had samples from the dermatologist first just to see what it was like, because I'm prescribed a prescription for my face and wanted to kind of see what it was like. I've used the AM and the PM one. I kind of like the PM one. I don't know why. I think I was kind of scared because if the AM got the sunscreen, I didn't know how my skin was going to react to that, which I should purchase that, because it's funny. Because with this lotion, I heard that it makes my skin oily, but it's supposed to be oil free. So yeah, that's weird. But does my face tend to be a little oily using this? Not necessarily, because my face is oily. I think with just my face being oily and then putting lotion on it, it probably kind of like, depending on the temperature, either dries it out or makes it even more oily. Like, I guess like humidity and stuff like that. I hope I'm making sense. But anyway, so there was a time where when I was using a product and my face was drying really, really, really bad, and I was like, okay, I need to use this. And I think it was because as well, I thought that using this at night would give me more of a moisturizing type feel. And I was like, okay, sometimes I go out later on in the day, not AM. So should I get the PM one or the AM one? But I got this one. It did help with the dryness. It's just that I guess due to it being oil free, it didn't give my skin the complete moisturizing that I need. But overall, it did. I just kind of like mixed it with a little bit of shea butter. Just being honest. But anyway, so yeah, dermatologist prescribed this to me. At first, I didn't even have to use lotion with the medication that I was using, but I guess with the temperature changing and everything, I had to get something so my face wouldn't be super duper duper dry. What I do like about this lotion is that you can easily close it when you're not using it. So like if you're traveling, it doesn't go all over the place. Like, okay, wait, did I do it? Wait, oh shoot. But that's how it comes out. Oh man, okay. Put some on my knees. Okay, let me see if I can try to twist this around without like staining. I mean, not staining, but pouring it out. But anyway, you just twist it and then it like holds it. It locks it for you. It has a lock on there, which is so cool and so awesome. Like, yes, ain't got to worry about it flying all over in your purse or in your book bag or when you're traveling and stuff like that. And the directions does say apply layer to face and neck at night. I don't put this on my neck. I wonder if I should. I've been knowing that for some years now. I'm like, should I not? But anyway, I would say that it works really well. Like if you use the CeraVe foaming wash, it works really well together. The times that I don't put medication on my skin, it does actually help with moisturizing. That I'm not gonna lie. when I skip maybe like, instead of doing twice a day with medication, if I only do it just once and I apply this on it, my face does tend to be more moisturized and than it would if I put my medication or cream that I put on my face for the acne. But when I mix it together, that's for people that use medication and creams and stuff like that on their face and then try to mix it with this. My recommendation would be kind of wait. Unless you're in a hurry, then hey, go ahead. And the only reason why I said that is because to me, I feel a little weird. Like when I apply the cream on my face and then I apply this lotion, I kind of feel like I'm mixing it, if that makes sense. Like, it's almost like I'm reapplying the medication on my face, and then the lotion kind of just makes it, I don't know, I wouldn't say weak, but it just mix it. There we go. I'll just say that. It seems like it's mixing. But when I tend to let the medication like dry on my face and then I apply the lotion on, I just feel like, okay, the medication's on my face. Now I put on the lotion and it doesn't feel like I'm wiping the medication off or I'm mixing or anything like that. So that would be my only recommendation. Since it's small, I mean, you don't really have to use a lot, but they do not have a bigger size than this. I think it came in a different bottle, but I think it changed from what I can remember. Yeah, I believe like it changed. So, and they have different kinds as well, but since this one's one for PM and specialized for PM, I was like, okay, let me go ahead and hurry up and get this. So again, this is the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. I think I was reading this and then getting mixed up with that. But anyway, moisturizing lotion. Lord mercy, lotion. Okay.